Hello, what's up, everybody? This is Jerry the Wanderer coming to you live right now. In the ship, smooth sailing, or sort of, kind of a bumpy ride actually. Something happened when I opened my project. Hold on 1 second. Now I'm gonna get switch the stream right now. Okay. I was hoping it was a bad dream and everything else. So I woke up. I noticed my grid's gone. Like, where'd my grid go? And I went back and I looked into what happened to the grid, and like all of a sudden I'm saying function name node spawn grid is already in use. What are you talking about? I'm like, what the heck are you talking about? This is the noble correct? Like close, on grid. I'm so confused. Like, okay. One thing to know about my grid. It is a U function blueprint callable blueprint native event. Meaning whatever code I have in here, I can change that into inside the blueprint. And I had that working for a while until now. Like I just suddenly opened this project just now, and it's like all of a sudden, hey, this function's already used. You can't use that. What are you talking about? So now I'm a little lost. I don't know what to do here. Well, I don't want to. One thing I know for sure, I don't want to go ahead and just delete all this. All right. That's annoying. That's annoying itself. Here spawn grid. Here it is. And I'm going to make this a function. And it has everything here. No complaints. Maybe, I guess. Okay, I have no idea what happened. Okay, no issue. Okay, that's so weird. Why he do that? Okay, I guess you are being weird and I have to do something weird here. Thing is, I don't quite trust it. Okay, save. All right. However, I guess for me, I think this is something weird happened here, and it's like, oh, it will get better. But I had some weird happen with my with the player controller. So I am just trying to see if that's just it. That's so weird. Cause I have everything working out and everything going until now. Okay, it was just that weird bit. All right. Okay. Okay, we're bit. There we go. That was so weird. Why did it do that? That was so weird. I was panicking right at that moment. Shoot. Okay. Anyways, hi, I'm back. How you guys doing? What am I thinking right now? I gotta make sure everything's working properly, especially in the PC. That is always that's always the thing that goes crazy. No, it's not. Refresh. Save. I need to go back into this. No, I don't think I need to go back to it. I just need to move all the code from PC into here. Because looking at the global component, it's still showing that this is showing that this is just showing how it works. Like no complaints, nothing like that. Either way. Gotta move all the stuff back into where it was before. And let's make sure everything works. Okay. Hover over things. Cool. Combat. A slide that had to double click on the screen to move. Everything's doing exactly well expected for it to do. Okay. Now I think my next mission right now is here. I know my next thing I need to do right now is like setting up my menus. And then once the menus are all back where it was, and set. Actually, I could probably do a little bit here, because originally the unit's order is usually player 1, then player 2, then player 1, then player 2, then player 1, then player 2, then player 1, then player 2. But this is kind of like, and this is based on the speed of how fast the units are. And the way it starts is like usually like this. The team that has the fastest number together will start. Should start first, and then it will start pairing in orders. That's how I have it before. That may change, and that will be fine for right now. So but for right now, I think what I really want to set up right now is to set up my menu for the HUD and set up a menu for the main menu. I kind of got working on the main menu a little bit more. Matter of fact, I actually import a texture in here. I don't quite like it at the moment, but it definitely this works. The reason why I don't like it is that the title is the texture of the title is just a bit too large. I want it somewhat a little smaller, more compact, so I can actually just place it. Just go in there and just place it in there. That'd be fine. But the way I had to do it would look something like this. Let me get menu right now. It looks something like this. Here's a tile, and if I were to get the tile menu, it would more along beyond this line. Actually put you at the bottom. Should I put you in the bottom, or should I put you on the middle? No, I think bottom will probably do. I'll put you at 100. And I think this one is not gonna be clickable, so not hittable. Cool. Make this visible because we want to be able to interact with the buttons themselves. Speaking of the buttons, there's not much happening. Oh, there's also one more thing I also created as well, is that it is a notification. This notification is just like, I will be like a prompt, like, are you sure you want to do this? Are you sure you want to do this? Are you sure you want to save? Are you sure you want to load this, that sort of thing? And the idea is, by having a notification, I can be able to return a prompt back to it and have it execute. So that means we need to start. Brain's running on a little bit empty right now, but we should be fine. Overlay. Or I'm just like thinking, what do you put in here? Overlay. And I think I also want to, let me wrap the overlay with a size box for right now. And give it a default of 600 on height. On width. Actually, let's take the height out for a moment, and let's make this a desired. We're going to add our border. Yes, up. And we want to I think I want to have a burger box with another overlay inside it with another border. That will scale, and with that, and that board needs to be at black with a alpha 0.2 of 0.2, and I want to put my text. Let's name this right now. Put prompt here. We'll call it prompt text because this is gonna be the text that's gonna change. And below that, we want a horizontal box with 2 buttons. I'm really liking my button combat. It doesn't do anything super special. It just has certain names in it. Let's give horizontal box padding of 50. Let's center our U. Give you padding of not 50, but like 20 for right now. And with I think you here, I want to give you padding of 20. This looks fine. I'm gonna go ahead and knock the size box because now looking at it now, I don't think I need it. I don't think I need it right now. Let's actually change. We'll call our left side the confirm prompt, and our decline button. And of course, let's try to rename these. Actually, hold on a second. Before that, I want to see if I can change that. if I can change the text. It doesn't seem like I can do that. So let me change that real quick. Usually we don't really need to do that. As we kind of do it, this already, but for this one, I want to be able to change the text right off the gate. Especially when this confirmation window pops up in front of the user. I think this should be fine. Although I think I want to be able to change this text. I want to do it on if construct in R. I want to be able to change our text within our I say it within our thing. My brain going off. Not sure what I'm trying to say now. I'm not sure what I'm trying to say now, but it's like I want to be able to say have one button say have to change the text from confirm and have no one change the text from deny. And I think my mind, I want to try to have that taken care of. Oh wait, if that's the case, we could do it we could do it in some pre-construct then. Let's do this. And if it works, yes. This is what the buttons are going to look like. Let me go ahead and actually add them in 10 on each side. That way we have them set. That way we can have it separate. Okay. Hmm. That's not good. What I'm trying to do right here, right now, is to have like a certain bound to the text. Like, if I get a text that looks like this, that I actually want to be my friend, and my text is like really out here. I want this to wrap. Oh, all text wrap. There we go. That's what I want. I sure want. That way we don't. That way the text doesn't go off. All right, now that's taken care of. We want to have those texts in a particular thing. Maybe actually, let's think about it. Can I think I can bind the button. Here we go. But bind event on click. That's what we want. And we will need we will need a return. Like when this button is clicked, we want this to return. We want this to return which notification. Because I think in the future, or I could do right now, instead of 2 buttons, we could probably have 1 button, or we could have like 3 or 6 buttons at a time. But I think 2 buttons will be fine right now. I also want to be able to return this with a changed value. Like I want to be able to I want the confirmation to be in a confirmed text. The next one will be a decline text. Biggest reason why is because let's say confirm, deny, it may not be confirmed or denied. It could be more likely just, hey, you want this happening, blah blah blah, yes. and I think we have both of them hooked together because they're going to be the same thing. They're going to hit remove from parent, which removes the notification. And they're going to send that information back into the game. Although now I'm just kind of staring at this and I'm just trying to think about the prompt text. This needs to be exposed, and I think just in case exposed on spawn, I think both of them as well. There we go. We're gonna need event dispatcher. We're going to need to return on button, press return. We are returning a target integer. Either 0 or 1. 0 is yes, 1 is no. Although I'm not sure if we want to return. I'm not sure we want to return number. Return numbers. Maybe we want to return a. Maybe we want to turn. Maybe we want to return confirm, and we want to return deny. So instead of one event, it could be 2 events. But decline there. And on button, press confirm. There we go. I think I want this to return. For right now, I want to return a byte. I'll call it confirmation. There's only going to be one of these things existing, and that's just going to be unconfirm or undenied. Actually, this makes this 0 and this makes this 1. And now that should be it. We have our confirmation ready. Almost ready. Real quick. Here we go. Make this a little more noticeable. Maybe more gray here. There we go. But this is what this is what it looks like when program error is being applied here. Actually, hold on a second. Let me knock this down to 30. Let me knock this down. There we go. So now I think I have my confirmation set up. We want to I'm thinking instead of like having a buffer. Where do we want the confirmation to appear? Actually, let's do the HUD. Let's have it appear on the HUD. Let's have it appear on the HUD UI. Biggest reason why I have this thing called stack, and I have a comment activate widget called activate widget stack. And what I want to try to use is like. What I want to try to see to use is like use this kind of stacks to just place things there until they're ready to be used, I guess. Okay. notification, and we want to set prompt text. I'm definitely pretty sure I'm going to come back to this layer and try and get this all fixed later on in the future, but right now. Not 100% sure. Sorry about that. I was like looking at my own YouTube channel. And I was like, cause I had an issue where it was like not saying it 1080 at 60 frames per second. So I'm pretty much set my settings and try to check if that's in there. And looking at it now, yeah, it's in there. It's in there. Perfect. I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to worry about shit anymore. Because now all things I want is in there. Okay. And we should be. Okay, we should be good now. There we go. And next one. clear prompt. Thinking about it, if you're setting up this way, you probably don't need the remove parent. We also need to wait. One second. Find event. Only has that. Okay. Find event. 2. Yep, just this. Cool. I think I'll call this notification UI. And this needs to return somewhere. Like I know for sure I know for certain what I want to do. But I'm not sure how I'm going to do it. Okay. The HUD UI is it's going to be living within the HUD. That's going to be under my game. This I know for sure. The confirmation is not only going to use the HUD. Everything's gonna be using the HUD. Everything's gonna be using the HUD. So the HUD should be versatile to everything. That include I say modular to everything. Like I want to use this HUD for not just for the game itself, but the menu, the hub world, that sort of thing. So we're not going. So this should work. And I think everything's kind. I say okay. I think everything's kind of modular. I'll probably go back and look at this again, but this is more. This here is more game focused. But wait. I think I got it. 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 Let's call it create new prompt. Grab HUD and add that HUD. Tell it to push new notification prompt with that name. And I think for this one, we needed to return a notification. So this cannot do. So this won't do. Do I need to also return, make the binding? Yeah, I think I need to return the binding as well. So this needs to be in a function. All right. Have a return node and have it return a notification UI. Yeah, that definitely will work. I want to check, make sure this is valid. Like on all my other things. All right. Actually, we don't need that in here. We can have that. I could probably leave it up here for right now, but thinking about it and looking at it right now, I don't think I need the event in here. If I don't want it in here, I want it more likely out of it. And I will need this more likely or not coming out from here. I need this the whole I need that the whole information. No, maybe not in there. Ooh, this is actually one. This is actually one of the things I actually look at and stare at. It's like, oh, maybe I can confirm put the confirmation here or confirmation here, that sort of thing. Maybe actually this might work here. This might work. Get player controller, hit HUD. Has HUD attack. Okay. And this is gonna be up here. All right, and with this, I want to create new prompt. Convert that into function, and let's have it return. The new notification. But now with this, I can just say custom find event 2. This. Okay. Okay, we'll do this then. 0 and 1. I'm definitely gonna probably come back to this later. And actually, no, it's right. This is the easy thing to do, and that's basically just to add a new utility. For example, I have code that has nothing but these things. New structs for types, and this one's for tile type. I think I should be able to create one. Matter of fact, I know I'd be able to create one for the HUD. And make it a enumerator that says confirm or deny, that sort of thing. Zero is for decline. One is for something else. So we will want to I want to clear the prompt. Where is it? Okay. We didn't have it. Have it called clear prompt. That's it. Okay, cool. And we'll do the same thing here. Just clear prompt and quit game. Are you sure you want to quit the game? Yes. Or turn the menu. And there we go. Actually, thinking about it, the prompt needs to be in front. Like, do a lot of thinking here. Because here's what's happening. Here's my here's the stack, and if I were to scale that up, to not scale it up, but to set it to something like this, it will make the notification look a little larger than what this looks like. Hmm. Okay. I mean, this looks fine. Okay. Interesting. So whenever I scale if I scale the menu like this, the text is going to scrunch up a bit. I think that's something I can keep in mind in the future. You know what, I think. You know what? I think I'll make it like this. This is actually better than what I was thinking about right now. Because my mind said my mind was thinking I need to create another menu when I say let's put this as fill screen, see where we're at here, and see what we can actually do to handle all this. And I think I found a way to be able to handle it. Of course, that's all and everything, all and good, but I still haven't done the I still haven't made the menu yet. The menu level, per se. So let's say I'm looking at this and I'm going. Hmm. Sorry, I'm just blanking out and just trying to figure out where I put my where I should put my menu. And I think it should not be, yeah, it should not be in my maybe it should be my grid packs plugin content for it now. You know what? Yeah, I think I'll do that. I think I'll do that. Let's go ahead and do that. This is for temporary use. Let's create a level. The way to do that is I just create a basic level here, and then I save current level in the plugin. This one's gonna be a basic. This one's gonna be straight up basic. So just gonna be blueprint call game mode. That's called pp underscore tax main menu. And it's just gonna be a basic player controller. pp underscore main menu PC. The reason why I'm doing that instead of just trying to create a new instead of using the old one, it's because I want to be have different player controllers for each level. But not like for each and every level. For instance, we do want to get I do want the player controller to be in all game settings, and if anything HUD related, I want to have a game mode for that helps around controlling that character, like moving around the hub, excuse me. And for main menu, I just wanted to affect the menus. That's the thing. That's it. I think I also need to do something with the pause menu as well. Okay. They don't have anything super special to do here. So the HUD is going to use it's going to be using the attack HUD. Player controller. You know, to be straight but honest, I don't think I actually need to create a main menu PC. Now looking at it now, we don't want the default font, so there's nothing gonna be in there. We do need a camera. Just a regular camera actor. That should be fine. And we do need this to be possessed. This all possess 0, and we should be fine. And with this, I think we just need to do begin play. have it create widget called wait, Game HUD. So HUD's gonna be created automatically. That should be the HUD's gonna be created automatically because we have already stated in our HUD class already. But like, so we don't need to do anything super crazy. We just need to attack HUD. It should be valid. Like whenever I'm not sure or anything like that, I'm usually just said let's make a HUD, just make a in is valid and make sure that the HUD is just valid when it get created, and set the color to yellow and have it say warning HUD is not valid. Then if it is, I want it to push new game menu, and that is going to be the menu. That's going to be the tile menu. This should work. Should it? Wait. Here's my HUD. Show game. Wait. Actually, hold up a second. Hold up a second. Hold up. Huh. Oh my god, that's a lot to wrap. Okay, interesting. Let's just have it do that and see how it goes. think we should be good right now. Let's actually test it. Oh, that's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. I need to set. I need to have this because the cursor. We wanted to show mouse cursor. We want to set it as default. That's why it's there. That's not it. Okay. Don't do anything special. File. Run. Okay. Menu, player save text. Okay. It's happening in the HUD. HUD, UI, viewport. Here it is. It's doing this by default. Oh, it's so cool. You're probably looking at like, what's so cool about it? That's fine. That's the best normal reaction that people should have. What's so different about this? One, I create a whole thing. I create a notification menu, and this is what it'll look like. If I click on this, nothing happens. Cool, awesome. Click on it again, nothing happens. Click on this. Well, I click on this end combat. What is it called? End combat. It's like entry quick game. Excuse me. But what's basically doing doing it right now? It's it's popping in a new stack for the HUD, and it's allowing some modern things happening here. So this is pretty awesome right now. Matter of fact, if I click on quit, it definitely just goes and quit. So if I were to, let's say, if I were to want to have a notification to start a game, matter of fact, I think I'm able to do that right now with this new setup. It's just now I need to figure out what to do with this push game menu, push debug menu. I definitely want this there. I just need to make sure that this gets called. Also, I don't want to use a delay into this game mode. Because this is what happened. And it's basically telling me that that this is not being called yet. It's either the game mode needs to be the game mode not getting called first, but the PCs I think the PCs are getting called, the player controller is getting called, or game mode is actually the first one to get called first, and then the HUD. Matter of fact, if that's the case, I think I should probably use let's just use this one then. Maybe. Nothing. Okay, maybe not you. Maybe the level itself. The way we do this is how we do this. Okay, 1 second. Create new empty, convert, open level blueprint. Here we go. Then we call. Then we do this. Nothing. Access done. Trying to read property HUD. I guess for now, down here. I guess for now, it needs to be in the it's gonna be in the game mode. I want to get rid of the delay for a second. I want to get rid of the delay, but the delay's not doing what I wanted to do. Okay. Okay. New game menu. The push new game menu is going to be the one that's going to step. Sorry, I'm excited and I don't know what I'm talking about. It's just like trying to understand exactly how to word it in the most simplest, most honest, most understandable way that folks can be able to understand. Looking at this now, I'm looking at both these events, and I'm looking at this is the most better event out of this one. I mean, this makes sense, like show tile menu, but this is like push new game menu, and that's the part that's very important. That we're pushing in a new game menu. And this one allows us to push whatever menu you want to put in, such as the tile menu. In fact, if I did that, we'll get the same result. By pushing debug menu, we get this. Of course, with some warning. So I think this is okay. This is gonna be fine then. I don't think I really need that. Just need to be able to push things in. Anyways, I'm thinking I'm stalling with it. We got the menu, and we're using our stack. So that's awesome. I don't think our game mode does anything super special, other than just creates the grid. Actually, now looking at this, Here's my planning. Great new game menu. And the idea is interesting. I thought I could get it right here. Here we go. And I think I'm able to just push this in here. Wait. Oh yeah. That makes sense. Wait. Okay, that makes sense. Here we go. Great new game. And this will have debug. This is one for the game mode, I think. So if I go back into my other map, the test map, which has the game mode already in here, and then activate it, of course the menu will not go pop up because the menu is too fast. We gotta add in a delay real quick. And this is gonna be just temporary until I'm able to figure out exactly what what I can actually do here. All right, cool. We go to combat. We go my combat and start combat. I think that's in here. I'm gonna look at this. Start combat. Button click, and here's start combat. Cool. Now here's something I want to do. Since I'm already here, move this out of the way, and then may actually create button press return. Make a custom event. Switch on inch. Remove this pin. We'll convert this to inch. And 0 is our fail. And once this will be our success. And with this should turn to preparation. That should be it for. That should be it. If I gotta click on it, click start combat. Here it is. Ready to start combat. And can I click on anything? Nope. I can't click on anything. I can't interact. I have to interact with this. And looking at this, yeah. I'm clicking it back. Here we go. Look at that. That is so awesome. That is so awesome, and so versatile. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to do anything crazy to do all this over again. Of course, I may need to go back to the widget and do some text. I can pretty much modify the text and all that kind of stuff. So now we got that sorted out. If I were to, I can just go back in here and click on end combat, and I'll probably have another menu pop up saying, "Are you sure you want to end combat?" And like this, and this. This is all cool. I'm gonna need to keep that. So that's gonna make things. That's gonna make everything versatile, very versatile. I say versatile, but it'll make everything modular. It'll be the proper word to say it. Okay. What's next? What's next? I mean, you already have the menu. We already have the menu going. Next menu. That is going to be the hub world menu. Need to make this an activatable widget. I'll call this Hub World. big reason why I'm calling it hub world, because this is gonna be the place where everything happens. Like setting setting up your units, setting up the missions, going to your shop, looking at your units, that sort of thing, and basically it. That's kind of basically it. I have this sort of thing kind of set up in my previous project, so I'm pretty much gonna end up copying like a lot of stuff from here. Notification stack. I don't know why I have a notification stack in here. Yeah, like if you look at, if you look at the code, if you look at this right now, like this is like very not very not versatile. Why am I saying versatile? Why versatile is now the new word for me? But anyways, let me go ahead and make the menu, and that should be it. W underscore hub underscore menu. I think this one's gonna have the canvas. With a wrap on overlay. We'll have another overlay. With a text, and this one is just gonna be plainly our text of what this place is. It could be super special. It's gonna be size content. I'll make sure it is anchored to the side. Wait. There we go. We'll move this up. Should be good here. Then I'll make another overlay. This one's going to have our... Actually, I need to make sure to name our overlays. I haven't named my stuff at all. overlay, make a variable, and I think actually both of them will need a border. There we go. Excuse me. Add up and nope. Add back. Nope. Okay, that'll work. That's gonna work for right now. Anyways, menu. We'll need another border. Make sure this border is wrapped around. Wrapped around fade and give her. He says a vertical box. I think that's gonna be within here. Let's scale up. We'll have the size 6%, content. Set size. Go from the 0. Set anchor to this. Set alignment here. Call this missions button and just name this in combat 2 mission. We're gonna do a couple things like if we go add button here. There we go. And let's rename this next one inventory begin. Definitely have a lot set up, but there we go. Let's go in here and change its name to in the game I'm currently trying to make. There is supposed to be an item shop. But since I have since the bug, I wasn't able to get towards any of that. I say the bug, like the really bad crash bug thing. I wasn't able to get to any of that. So everything so since everything seems to be stable and everything seems to be working properly, awesome. I'll call view unit. There we go. That each unit split 5. So we can have a space out. Let's see. Looking at this, I think the buttons are really small. Like, if I'm viewing it from like this, the tiles are big, but the buttons are really small. So I need to probably change the buttons a bit. Or actually, no, I don't need to change the buttons. I need to change the text. At least for right now. Okay. And yeah, gonna need to make another overlay for this one, I think. That's gonna be tick mark. We have a border. Size box. The size box is here, so it doesn't scale to whatever crazy number is. For instance, the height needs to be at just a particular number. Let's see, I think I'll go with a plain old switcher. go. I think there'll be some several Virgo boxes. This Virgo box is just gonna be a plain Virgo box. This one's gonna be empty. So real quick, let me pause. Empty box. We're done with that. Next one's gonna be another Virgo box. This one's gonna be the missions, items, inventory. And that's gonna be it for that. The view units, it's gonna be a new menu. Let's see. The last one I want. If this could be a hub. View units. And this is where we go look at every unit that we have in our hub. I will also want to use this unit, use this image, use the excuse me, let me give it a word. Let me give it a better word. I wanted to make the menu like that also versatile. I say versatile again. Modular. I also want to make it modular. Make it a variable. Border reason gonna be border because below is gonna be big long line. And the next one's gonna be a button. Okay. You says text to about hip or larger. I don't think I need to be that large. 54. 36. Yes. I think the last thing I want is a fader. And this is gonna be before a border as well. This expands all over the screen. It's gonna be 100. It's gonna be 0. And this will be visible for right now. Anything that's visible in the behavior is going to block any button click. And that's very important. This one is just going to be for changing, for fading in and fading out. I mean, now, of course, now I'm thinking about it, looking at this, I think if I were to create something like this for each and every game, we'll have a fader. We'll have each and every fader menu. We'll have each every menu that have a fader. So maybe I don't have to do. Maybe I don't want to do this. Maybe I can make this fader be part of be part of the HUD UI. Let me explain a bit more clearly. We have you have a box that has like a big overlay. It has game UI, pause UI, notification, that sort of thing. And this also has the animation stuff. If I were to, not if, matter of fact, not if, it's gonna be, instead of actually putting it in my hub world, let me actually put this in here. Let me actually set it to hidden. Let me actually set all the stuff that's gonna be in game UI be part of the HUD UI itself. That way I can have whatever animations I need here, done, and now. As a matter of fact, if I also want to, actually, I'm probably gonna need to have the border stack be above the notification stack above the border. Of course, I need to have some kind of control on having it fade in and fade out, but I could probably come back to that later after I get the HUD menu and all the controllable stuff ready to go. Then I could probably come back to all this. Do I want the fader to be above the pause UI? Like, if I press the escape, we want it to pause. The escape menu or the P menu or P button, that's what we want it to escape. That's there. That's for sure. Oh, I need to make the pause menu as well. Oh my god, there's a lot I want up. Shove in here. There's a lot I want to shove in here, like really a lot. Anyways, what the flip? Back to hub menu. Okay, I think we're good here. So now let's actually go into context and actually create a do I want in my, oh my god, decisions. we'll worry about those decisions later as we make a menu, and we'll come to those decisions later on. I think this needs to be. Does this need to be an activatable widget, or doesn't this need to be a user widget? Let's make a user widget first. Okay. Is it with overlay? And get some order. Add vertical box. Love it. Give a text on it. With the name roster. Let me push this. Let me scale it up to like 36. Make a horizontal. And the plan here is I want to have the image of the unit here on the left and the options of units on the right. And in the future, I want to have units to show their stats once clicked. This is a lot to go for, but yeah. Before we don't have that roster up yet. We do. We have. I mean, we do have a roster, but we don't have details of the units for our left side and our unit list. Unit list. So let's take care of those two. Take care of those two. Rename this unit box. Create a widget. Call one the unit detail info. This one's go ahead give a portrait of the image, the level, the name, the class is currently in, its HP, its TP, that sort of thing. And I think I'll create another one that gives out a detail list, an even more detailed list. Actually, we'll call this hub. We'll call this BBW hub unit info. And I'll pick out the duplicate and make and create another one called detailed it. Called detailed info. This one's gonna give the detailed info is give more give out more information about it. About this unit. I think the last one I need to create real quick is common user widget. And this one's called BBW underscore hub. Unit list. The unit list would be the easiest one to do because this one is basically a panel. With a scale box. And panel. And a grid, uniform grid panel. And we're going to need just two things. We're going to need to clear any children that might be in here. We'll need to do it for each unit, and I think I already have one already that I could use. I think it'll be called not here, not you. This is actually in the debug, I think. No, it's in all now. Here we go, the list. We get the unit data, it was the name, that sort of thing. Awesome. And we need to go ahead and create the widget. We need a different set of buttons where it just gives us the name, the class, and the maybe just name the unit and the level. Will probably do well. Because class is gonna be something I need to work on later. I'm gonna create one inside all widgets because this will be definitely for all widgets. BBW unit detail button. Okay. Look at these common stuff. Look at the common text. Name it. Name. Looking at this, I don't think so. The data coming from the unit stuff. I say the unit stuff, but the data that's gonna be coming from the my mind's going empty right now. The data that's gonna come from the assets. It's not gonna be versatile because it's not gonna give out the units. It's not gonna give out its class, and it's not gonna give out its level. So I'm going to have to use, like within game, I'm going to need to use. I need pretty much a way to just use information use some information outside of that. And that should be fine for right now. Excuse me. Right now, it's like I have a lot to prep. I have a lot to prep and have a lot to go through. So, yeah. And an image. And this image be like holy crap, it's large. Let me look for it. Look for it. Pixel flip. There we go. That's the time. Trying to find. Oh. Explain that. Text size is does not be that large, I think. But we'll play. But I think we'll play around later on. Hold up. This is the button. That's why it's different. There we go. So now I don't think I have that type of style in here yet. Here's a button style that I like, but I'm looking for a different type of button style. The one that has one that's not like that. Okay, do I have more? Okay. 1. And the color should be sort of 1 to 1. Okay. However, I set them black and multiply it by 4. Looking at this, is that going to cause issues? Because all I'm doing is trying to clamp the darkness on the side. Either way, I think I may have to use a texture for that later on in the future. I think that should be it. Okay. If unit is valid. We probably don't need a unit name, but I don't like this name right here. Get name button. Like last the unit name I had like all unit names with the S in the end. So I think I really need to change my text layer on, change my variables layer on, so it'll be a lot more readable. There we go. Okay. I'll push y'all down and let's go ahead and get. I need y'all anymore. Or you. Alright. Let me go ahead and promote this to unit data. Promote this to unit data, and this is the one pretty much grabbing. Let's make sure we actually use the name, test name for this to be called test unit. All right, there we go. His name. And do I have his current job? I don't think no. I don't have his job. I don't have his job information. I don't have his job information, so we don't need to use it. So actually, wait, I forget, did I create a game instance? I don't think I have. Yeah, no game instance. Actually, I may have to stop right here, actually, because Mario, I've been doing it a lot, but I'm already at a point where I need to actually give information that I need. Because right now I need the level information, I need the class information, the job class that the unit's gonna be. I'm gonna need the name of it. I'm gonna pretty much need all the information that the class is going to have. And right now we don't have that. We have information that's going to be pulled from the unit assets, and the job assets, but we don't have like a way to save them. These data assets are static. They are not going to change. We can't force it to change. So that means I need to get something that is allowed to change, but it's also allowed to send information. So right now I'm not ready for that at the moment. But tomorrow I'm gonna be streaming, and I think I'm probably gonna do this more, or if not, I'm pretty much gonna do something else. Just to keep the game going. But yeah, I think we'll go ahead and end the day. Tomorrow, I will continue working on this, but this time I'm gonna be focused more on getting detailed information instead of trying to guess what information I need. And I think that's gonna be it. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. Bye bye.